Hi folks, Rick Berube here, Vice President of Sales of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services of Arizona, California, and Nevada. And today I want to talk to you about 2018. Remember, lean, mean, money-making machine in 2018. You want to have your best year ever, and so do I. I want to have my best year ever. I want to have the company. All of us want to have our best year ever. I don't know anybody who says, no, I prefer not to have my best year ever. So how do we do that? All right, a couple good points. Number one is you can call it a pipeline. You can call it a database, but you got to be feeding people into your CRM. You got to and you got to be really good with your notes. You know, you got to spend time every day developing that. Now, there's a word that comes before it called prospecting. Okay, I get it. All right, not everybody likes the P word, but you got to be comfortable with the P word. You can do it by online leads, Zillow, Trulia. You can do it by door knocking. You can do it by calling expireds, whatever. You just have to have a system to fill the database. And then if you're with us, obviously, you want to be using, Market Watch, all the different products that we have for you to keep in touch with your people. You can set them up on drip campaigns, so they're getting the CMA for you once a month. They're getting our wonderful newsletters, Seller's Advantage, Market Watch. There's the buy side. There's all different ways you can do that. But you have to spend time getting them in there. That's a very important point. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is you got to have a rock solid schedule. This is the year of the time block rock star schedule. People always ask me, well, how do I have a rock star schedule? Very simple. If you're brand new in the business, half your time should be producing income, prospecting. The other half should be dealing with it. Everything else prioritized. If you've been in the business for at least a couple years, should be a third, and a third. Third prospecting, third administrating, and third going on appointments and negotiating deals. It's that simple. Okay, always do the prospecting first and then prioritize the rest of your day. That's the toughest thing for most people to do. Okay, next one is, number three on my list is mindset. You have to have a mindset routine every day. This business requires energy, enthusiasm, and you got to have the mindset to do it. That's reading, that's affirmations, that's visualizing, that's meditating. But you got to have a system for it. It has to be in your schedule. Everything that you do this year needs to be time blocked in your schedule. You take your phone out and you just follow along. That would be a huge year. I asked somebody yesterday, what if you made 20 new contacts every day, 240 work days to new people from a prospecting standpoint? That takes 2.5 hours. I said, do you think you'd have your best year ever? Yes, I guarantee. Very few people have actually done that on this planet. I have figured this out. This is my 33rd year doing real estate. Okay, very few people have done that. If you do it, you'll clean up. So the question isn't whether, well, I really like to. The question isn't whether can you achieve your goal. The question is, will you? Will you do the actions necessary with achieving it? Okay, 4 on my list is accountability. You have to be, coaching is accountability. Join my coaching. Send Francesca an email, francescad@bhhsnv.com. Okay, and you can get involved in my coaching. We have a waiting line right now, but it never lasts more than 2-3 weeks, and you can get right in there. Okay, accountability. You can use your managers. You can use other people in your office that have the same goal as you. You can get involved with my coaching. You can join another coaching. Mike Ferry, Brian Buffini, Tom Ferry, all of those guys. That's fine too, but we offer it here. Get started with me, and then you can graduate to something like that for sure, okay? Now, the last one on my list, number 5, is skills. You got to know what to say. You got to use, for instance, our company listing, the Berkshire Hathaway listing presentation, the pre-listing package information. Once again, it's all in the VAC, and it's all in the Resource Center. Start using that immediately this year. About 30% of our agents use that consistently. If you used it more, I guarantee you it would affect your bottom line. And, okay, for all of us at the company, it's free. It's all marketing stuff that you can use. I would start using that immediately if I'm not. All right, so here's my last tip. Achieve your goal or if only person. You know what an if only person is? If only I'd done what I was supposed to be doing. You don't want to have that conversation again with yourself this year. You want to achieve your goal. It's up to you. One of my favorite sayings is, why settle for good when great is available? This is your best year ever. Look forward to seeing you all shortly. I'm basically on tour the month of January. This week I'm in Nevada. Next week I'm in Arizona. The following week I'm in California. So look for my schedule, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks for your time.